If your content feels random, you probably don't have content pillars yet. In this video, I want to break down the exact 4 content pillars I'm personally building my affiliate marketing brand around, especially as a beginner creator trying to grow without burning out. And I'll show you how my own videos fit into each category too. Why content pillars matter. I think beginners assume content strategy means posting constantly, following every trend, and trying to go viral every week. But content pillars are really about structure. They help your audience understand what kind of content to expect, what problems you have solved. So let me go back. What problems you have solved, retake. Why content pillars matter. I think beginners assume content strategy means posting constantly, following every trend, and trying to go viral every week. But content pillars are really about structure. They help you mentally because you stop feeling like I need a completely new idea every single day. Instead, you create within categories. That creates consistency, clarity, and better branding over time, especially as a beginner creator. Pillar number 1, the educational content. Educational equals teach me something. This is the foundation of my content strategy. Educational content helps people solve problems, reduce confusion, and take action. For example, how to start affiliate marketing, how to build an email list, how to create faceless YouTube videos, how to get approved for affiliate programs. This type of content works really well, and because people are actively searching for answers, especially beginners, and educational content also builds trust. Because now your audience sees you as helpful, resourceful, and beginner friendly. Exactly that. You'll be able to find content on here specifically tailored to how to get approved as an affiliate, how to film a faceless YouTube video, setting up your Stan store in under 20 minutes. You'll be able to find all of those videos listed here on my channel. So these videos help solve specific beginner problems. That right there is educational content. Pillar number 2, inspirational content. This pillar is more personal. This is where you share your journey, lessons, struggles, mindset shifts, wins, as well as your goals. This kind will end losses because people connect emotionally before they buy anything, especially in beginner niches. Examples: week recaps, what I learned this month, why I even started, the truth about building a business while working full-time. This type of content builds emotional connection, and emotional connection creates loyalty, trust, and community. And back to my video, or back to my channel, again, you'll be able to find exactly that here. Week 1 recap, week 2, and why I stopped waiting to feel qualified. Actually, that one, I'll move this video over quickly. See if I can find it. Did I even put it in here? I did not. Darn. Okay. Sorry, guys. My bad. So the part about why I stopped waiting to feel qualified, that is actually in my blog on my website that you may or may not already know. Let's see. I think I did speak about this the last time I posted a video. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you. And here we go. Okay. So here we have my blog. So why I stopped waiting to feel qualified is actually one of the blogs that I have on my website. So if you haven't had a chance to already, please log on to Simple Online Income with Afia and you'll be able to read the blogs that I have there. I post them every week. I have quite a library going right now. So when you get a chance, definitely check those out. I also have another section to my blog series where I discuss in more depth, more detail about the digital culture when it comes to content creating and just anything revolved around making money online. This is something that I've actually became quite passionate about because I really do kind of go into depth on the digital content culture. Okay, so those videos help people feel, I should say those videos as well as the blogs are used to help people feel, okay, maybe I'm not the only one figuring this out. And to me, in my opinion, I think that really matters a lot because we're all trying to figure this out. And if one, like I mentioned in the previous video, the one that I recorded yesterday, if someone's thinking about it, or at least they're saying it out loud, there's someone silently thinking, having with the same question or idea. Pillar number 3, the relational content. This pillar is very underrated. Relational content is where you answer questions, respond to comments. You do Q&As, which is something when I get up to at least 100 subscribers, I think I want to do something like that. Address beginner fears and create community-focused content. This kind of content helps your audience feel seen. And that's powerful online. For example, answering your biggest affiliate marketing questions, reacting to beginner mistakes, things I wish someone told me earlier, community polls, FAQ videos. And the beautiful thing is your audience literally tells you what content they want. That's one reason I pay attention to comments, DMs, questions, because those conversations become content ideas naturally. Pillar number 4, promotional content. This is the pillar people get nervous about, but promotional content is not automatically bad. The problem is when all your content becomes promotional. That's when people feel sold to constantly, overwhelmed, or disconnected. But when promotional content is balanced with education, inspiration, and relationship building, it feels natural. For example, I will do more product walkthroughs, affiliate tutorials, and offer explanations. You'll also be able to see strategy call breakdowns, tools I use videos. You'll find all of those in my channel, and you'll be able to see some of those other titles. They're not quite videos yet, but they are blogs. So when you have a chance, log on to Simple Online Income with Afia. Go straight to my blog section and you'll be able to read that in more depth. But the key is lead with value first, not pressure. So why these 4 pillars? Why do they work together? What I love about this system is that it creates balance because now your audience gets education, encouragement, connection, and solutions. And mentally, it removes so much pressure from content creation because now when I sit down to plan content, I simply ask, which pillar am I creating for today? That's way easier than trying to invent random content constantly. So if your content has been feeling scattered, inconsistent, or directionless lately, I really recommend creating a few simple content pillars because structure creates clarity. And clarity makes content creation feel so much more manageable long-term, especially for busy creators balancing life too. And if you want to see beginner-friendly tools and resources I'm personally using while building my online business in real time, I've linked everything in the description below. And if this video helped simplify content strategy for you just a little bit, make sure to subscribe because I'm documenting this entire journey step by step while balancing work, life, and building this business alongside you guys. I'll see you in the next video.